Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. How are you? I hope you all are fine with your family. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and our today's topic is Chapter 12. And the name of this chapter is Natural Resources of Bangladesh, and we will discuss lesson 1 and 2 from this chapter. So what is natural resources? The objects we get from nature are called natural resources, and there are different types of nature in our country, such as air, water, soil, animal, birds, gas, etc. And these natural resources help us to increase the standard of our life. We can transform and utilize the natural objects according to our demand. We can also improve the socio-economic condition of our country by using these natural resources. So now we will know about some of the natural resources of our country. Let's start. At first we will know about soil. Soil is a valuable gift of nature, and the land of Bangladesh is very fertile. So we grow different types of crops here. That's why Bangladesh is called an agricultural country. Next one, rivers. So there are many big and small rivers in our country. We all know it, and that's why Bangladesh is called a riverine country. And the rivers make our communication easy, and our rivers are also full of fish resources, and many people earn their livelihood by catching fish. Now mine resources. That means we get mine resources under the earth, and they are called mineral resources also. Like coal, gas, limestone, silica, etc. are remarkable. Next one, forest resources. And the total forest area of Bangladesh is 24,938 square kilometers. That means 17.49% of total land area of the country is forest, but we need more than 25% of forest. So we need to plant more and more trees. We make our home and furniture by using the forest resources. We also get vegetation, and besides this, there are birds and animal resources in this forest. Now fish resources. Bangladesh is a riverine country. There are a large number of sweet water fishes in our country, and moreover sea fishes also fulfill our food demand. Number 6, animal resources. Cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. are our animal resources, and besides there are different types of birds in our country. The last one, sea or marine resources. The Bay of Bengal covers the southern region of our country. We all know it, and we can produce salt from seawater. We also get fishes from the sea. So we have 3 seaports: Chattogram, Mangla and Paira. Now we will know the role of natural resources in socio-economic development. In ancient period, man used to collect fruits from forest. They also hunt animals. Later they learned how to grow crops, and their economy was based on producing crops and maintaining farmland. That means man's socio-economic system has been built up centering on the production, distribution and consumption of food and other commodities. And all the resources man used since ancient age to middle of age were natural resources. That means from the ancient age to the middle of age, people only use natural resources to meet their demand. And what happened in the modern age? In the modern age, people has dug out minerals such as coal, iron, stone, gold, gas, etc. and utilized them with a great skills and improved socio-economic condition. Now we will know role of natural resources in development of Bangladesh. That means what are the role of these natural resources in the development of the economic condition. Now, first one, production and creating employment. And we know ours is an agrarian country. That means our economy is based on the production of crops and maintenance of farmland. We can increase our production by proper utilization of fertile soil. We should use advanced technology in agriculture. Production will rise and new employment will be created in villages. Next one, meeting demands of balanced diet. Now, animal resources like cattle, fowl and fish have increased and met the demand of our country. The farms provide employment for many people of the country. Next one, providing irrigation facilities. Now, in dry season, we can increase agricultural production by providing irrigation facilities. And we all know that we have many rivers, canals and harbors to provide irrigation facilities to the farmers. Now, industrial development and trade expansion. We can expand our industry by using natural resources like gas, coal, etc. And the last one, forest resources. Forest resources are used for making furniture and building houses. Forest resources also reduce temperature. So, we have to increase our forest resources and we should not cut plants. We should plant more trees to increase the forest resources. So, we know from this lesson 1 and 2, we know different natural resources of Bangladesh and the role of natural resources in socio-economic development and the role of natural resources in the economic development of Bangladesh. And we all know that ours have a limited natural resources, but we have a very large population. So, we need a proper, so we need the proper utilization of these natural resources to develop our social economic condition. Dear students, so this is the summary of lesson 1 and 2. You will go through lesson 1 and 2 at least 3 times at home. And if you have any question or any problem regarding this topic, you can contact me over phone and my cell number is 0167192499. So, that's all for today, and study regularly and obey your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.